Did you know that one brave kid turned scary blackouts into the best neighborhood parties ever? Meet Finn, a young boy who noticed something important. Every time the lights went out in his apartment building, his elderly neighbors like Mrs. Chen would stumble around in the dark, and little kids would cry because they were scared. One night, Finn watched Mrs. Chen almost fall down the stairs during a blackout. That's when he had a brilliant idea. He started the Flashlight Safety Squad. Finn collected flashlights from everyone in the building and made sure they all had fresh batteries. He drew a special map showing which apartments needed extra lights and trained younger kids to be flashlight messengers. But Finn didn't stop there. He put glow-in-the-dark stickers along all the hallways and created buddy teams so stronger neighbors could check on others. When a huge storm hit and knocked out all the power, something magical happened. Instead of being scared, everyone gathered in the lobby with their flashlights for stories and games. Finn proved that caring for others can turn the scariest moments into the most wonderful adventures.